Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. No? You want to do your diaper? Honey, you are so cute. Do it again. Come on. Poopy, poopy, poopy. Poopy, poopy, poopy.
Where do you keep your socks?
Oh, my top drawer.
I think these are yours.
Yeah. Poopy, poopy, poopy.
Is she done?
Yeah. She tore herself off when she pooped.
Okay. Your mom trying to get a flight for tomorrow, or?
Probably they won't let her go on their flight. United sucks. Horrible customer service.